Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather brief for Thursday, November 8th. Seeing some mostly cloudy skies out there this morning, but generally pleasant conditions. We will be seeing some slightly breezy winds late this morning and into early this afternoon, but not expecting a wind advisory today and remaining dry throughout the day. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop this morning, did see some rain well south of the region across the tidewater earlier this morning, and behind that we are just seeing some mostly cloudy skies here at Wallops. We'll be seeing these clouds thin out a little bit as we go towards the late morning into the early afternoon hours, so expecting a little bit of sunshine for the bulk of the workday today, and then we'll see those clouds increase once again as we go into tonight. We are seeing those winds from the northeast today. That'll help keep things a little bit cooler today as we go through this afternoon. Taking a look at our surface analysis, you see that weak low South Cape Hatteras that brought that rain down there. No rain was able to make it up here, just giving us an uptick in cloudiness, and that cloudiness will decrease as we go towards the late morning and early afternoon hours, giving us some more sunshine this afternoon before we see those clouds increase once again as we go later into tonight. So as of 8:15 a.m., seeing a broken decks at 7,000 and 11,000 feet and an overcast cirrus deck at 25,000 feet. Winds are northeasterly around azimuth 020 at 10 knots with a temperature of 56 degrees. Taking a look at our weather chart for today, going to be looking at high near 61 degrees today, so not expecting those temperatures to really increase too much with that northeasterly flow. Winds are going to increase late this morning to around 10 to 15 knots with slightly higher gusts before decreasing to 8 to 13 knots late this afternoon, and then 6 to 11 knots overnight before becoming 8 to 13 knots again by mid-morning Friday. Going to be seeing a somewhat mild low tonight, only around 48 degrees with that cloud cover and northeasterly flow not really allowing things to cool off too much. As we look at our terminal forecast for today, going to be looking you can see those clouds are going to be decreasing a bit after 10 a.m., just becoming few at 10,000 feet with a continued broken cirrus deck throughout the day. And then after we go, after about 6 p.m. late this afternoon, going to be seeing those mid-level clouds increase between about 8,000 and 12,000 feet, and then becoming overcast at 10,000 feet after sunset and into the overnight hours. And by tomorrow morning, going to be seeing scattered to broken decks near 2,500 feet, 4,000 feet with overcast near 7,000 feet. For tomorrow, we are going to be seeing a system approach from the west here. Going to be seeing mostly cloudy to overcast skies throughout the day. Looks like it's going to be dry with just a very slight chance of a sprinkle in the morning hours, with rain showers more likely in the late afternoon. So only looking at a chance of some scattered afternoon showers with just a very slight chance of a sprinkle beforehand. It is going to be slightly breezy at times as that front approaches the area, and that we are going to be having south to southeasterly winds for much of the day tomorrow, but those winds are going to shift southwesterly towards the later portion of the day, and that's when we're going to get our high. So expecting a high later in the day of 64. Then Friday night, that's when that front is expected to impact the area, and that's our better chance for that we're going to see some rain showers Friday night. So looking at about a 60 to 70% chance of rain showers for Friday, as well as a slight chance of a thunderstorm as we get that front crossing the area, only looking at around a 20% chance or less at this time of seeing any thunderstorm activity. It is going to be a little bit breezy at times with that frontal passage, as well with a late low of 46, as we're going to be having some cooler air once that front crosses the area, moving in late Friday night into the pre-dawn hours of Saturday. Then Saturday, going to be looking at partly cloudy skies early as that system departs, and as high pressure builds in, that's going to help to clear out the clouds across the area, and it's also going to be ushering in a much drier and cooler air mass. So only looking at a very chilly high on Saturday of 50 degrees with some breezier winds expected as that pressure gradient gets a little bit tighter with that high pressure moving in. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing. Have a great day.